to my channel. It's me, Lauryn, aka Shawty J, and welcome to my channel. Hi, hello. I'm really hyper right now because I just had coffee this morning. But today is gonna be an exciting video because today is my brow routine. So before we get started, it's two things that you need to know. Make sure your face is clean before you do your makeup, before you do your eyebrows, because we don't want you don't want a dirty face when you do your makeup because that's not cute. Okay, step number 2. Make sure that your eyebrows are kind of sort of done, because it's more easier to do your eyebrows when they are nicely done and groomed, whatever. So we're just gonna jump right into this. These are the things that you need. You just need your eyebrow pencil, or anything that you're using. A dip brow does not matter. You need this to apply your concealer, and you need your concealer, and you need a brush to blend out the concealer. Oh, I also have get a mirror, so hold on. Excuse my hair right now because it's not done, but it will be done after my makeup is done. So excuse my hair right now. So make sure you brush. Hold on. You want to make sure you brush through your eyebrows. And sorry if you can hear my fan. It's really hot in here, so you want to brush through your eyebrows. I do prime my eyebrows because my eyebrows do begin oily, so I be using the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer, and I just put it on my brows. You don't have to do this, but it does help to also lay your eyebrows down, and it also helps with oil. So if you got oily skin, if you have thick eyebrows, you can use this. You can use y'all know some people using hair gel, but I don't do that. So when you do your eyebrows, they don't have to be perfect, because you are going to use concealer to clean it up, and they don't have to. People be saying like they don't have to look like twins, more like cousins or sisters or whatever. You can use that analogy, whatever you want to call it, but your eyebrows really don't have to match, because you're going to use concealer to clean up your eyebrows anyway. So it does not have to be perfect when you go in, when you draw them on. Okay, when you do your eyebrows, you want to have a light hand. You want to start with the light hand, and you don't want to just start in the front. You don't start in the front. Well, I don't start in the front, but you can. But I don't start in the front because I just don't. So when you do your eyebrows, I fill them in first. I fill it in first a little bit, and make sure you have a light hand. and then I'll start fading in the front. You wanna your eyebrows are going want you wanna have your eyebrows faded in the front because no eyebrow is thick in the front, so you wanna fade that out in the front. And then I go and draw the line under it. And when you do your eyebrows, don't drag your eyebrow all the way down here because that's not cute. Ooh, like that. We don't do that. It's supposed to it's supposed to be looking natural. You don't have to bring your eyebrow all the way out here because you're gonna look crazy. Have it stop where like right here or where your natural eyebrow stops at. And when you do the front, don't have your eyebrows this close together because that's also not cute. I don't know who I don't know who started that, but that's not cute. Ooh. But you're gonna do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Just start filling in and go with the light hand first. So now since you have your eyebrows on, you want to go in with the concealer. You want to use like a concealer that's a shade lighter, a shade or two shades lighter than your skin tone, so you can have like a little cute highlight or whatever. So I do take some on the back of my hand, just a little bit, not that much. That's probably too much right there. And then I just coat my brush. And this is the elf. Okay, yeah, you can't see that, but eyeliner brush. And what I'm gonna do is clean up under my brows. You don't want to start at the top because it can get messy. You just want to pat it in a little bit, and then lightly. And if you mess up, it's okay, because you can go back in with concealer. And now we're just going to blend it out using my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease brush. Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you wanna shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you're right at the top, babe. Okay, so now my brows is finished. This is how you do your brows, like this. I don't conceal the top of my brows because I feel like that's too much, and I don't feel the need I need to do that, because then my brows are gonna be like, I don't know what I'm saying. But thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you like it. Subscribe to me, follow me on Instagram at ShawtyJ, and I'll see you in my next video.